Today we're going to be trying KitKats. KitKat Chunkies. Nope. They're all made in Canada. So let's try this one first. This one is peanut butter KitKat Chunky. Again, it's made in Canada.
I don't like peanut butter.
Well, you like KitKat Chunky.
Yeah, I do.
Well, it's actually more than one. It's actually three things. No, three pieces that you can cut off. So, okay, we have scissors.
Easel or a knife.
Okay, we'll cut this in half. This is really bad.
Hopefully there's like that sound. Yeah, there is.
Oh man, that got everywhere. Okay. Yeah.
Squeezy.
Let's put that there. Okay, ready?
Yummy.
Oh yeah, I don't mind. At the start, you don't taste the peanut butter, but then when you start biting into it for a bit, you taste the peanut butter. I like it. Do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I give it a 10 out of 100.
That's not really good.
No, it's not good. You made 110?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're trying hazelnut KitKat Chunky. Wait, I'm having trouble. Give me 1 second. I'm actually gonna drink. That still tastes peanut butter.
I don't mind of the peanut butter.
I'm dying. Okay. Okay, so we'll try the hazelnut. It's another nut, Erin.
Nuts.
Oh wait, no, we have to cut this in half. Again, it has another 3 cutting thing with this. Put that there. Take scissors. Same thing as last time.
Hopefully noise.
Oh. Okay, you're gonna have these. Okay, show the inside. It's crumbly. Okay. I like it.
I give it.
I don't really taste the nut that much. I don't taste it that much.
I give it a 100 out of 10.
I like it. It's not bad. Not the best though.
100 out of 10.
But it's a nice little taste of hazelnut when you're eating it.
I for airplane.
And the final KitKat Chunky is cookie dough.
Oh, I love cookie dough. We have cookie dough in our fridge.
Mm-hmm.
Or probably already been eaten.
Mm-hmm. Again, has a 3 pudding thing. And
Cat. The cat went to the park last night.
There you go.
It's eating
okay.
Okay, how do I get it in?
Here, wait, I'll do it right here. Oh wait, are you ready?
Yeah, 3. Oh.
Wait, no, I'm gonna go close. I don't like it that much. It doesn't taste like cookie dough that much.
Mm-mm. I don't like it.
Tastes a bit like mint. I don't know. I don't know if it doesn't taste like cookie dough at all.
I give it 10 out of 0.
That's good though. Okay. Yeah, that was cool. So we're gonna go now. Bye.
Bye.